video, you want to brush, but I already did that. But you want to make sure your hands are clean, and you want to spray your thing with this car grease.
Okay.
And you want to carefully pick it up, and you want to scrub only the outside ends. And you use this blue brush. You can use any type of brush except for a wire brush. And you just clean off the dirt. But you really want to get in this side. Because it's really sandy and it gets very, very deeper into the ground. But you want to make sure you clean that mess up off of the floor, or people would slip or fly off the ground. So I'm going to do that. Yeah. But it's clean. So now I'm going to get back to what I was doing. Usually you just clean the tire, but you don't want to push too hard, so you might push a hole or something. But you can just clean along. But I'm his assistant, so you just want to clean the Dean. We're going to fast forward to some other videos. So for this video, you want to scrub the... Don't worry about you getting dirty, you wash that up. You really should clean your tires and your car. So for this video, you really need to watch it. It's how you clean. So you need some car grease. So you spray it on to the tire or the scrub thing. And you might need a paper towel for the floor or your leg hand for some reason, because it gets a lot of greasy on there. And here's the brush that you use for flies. And you might want to clean off that extra dirt, because it has dirt, but it still has a little bit of flies. So I am Katie Wynn, the car shiner, the assistant of Frederick. And
I'm Frederick. Oh, okay.
And we really want to get at the words to make sure they can see what the words say. So I'm trying to make the tire shine. In the end of this video, I'm going to be shining all the car. But you might want to pause the video if you're stuck on some things, and well, if you need to, but you don't have to always if you're not stuck. But this needs a little bit of spray, so you might want to stand far away.
Right. No, don't spray it far away. Just spray it right on it.
And you don't really have to clean the floor if you want to, but it makes a little mark on the floor if you can see. But
yeah, that could be bad for paint jobs, but continue.
And you might want to make sure you take an up close look in the video, just so you know, so that you don't mistake any reasons of this video. If you don't know how to clean your car, just watch the video. Ooh, it looks like the side we did. This is how it's done.
Perfect.
So, do you like my tire? This is from the video earlier. You might want to be wondering why there's so many polka dots. Well, I'm the first assistant ever in the shop to be cleaning a tire. I work so hard for my rights. I am wearing my old overalls for some reason. I like to pronounce that I am a shop guy. I love cleaning. I do so much things for all the little kids that don't know how. So little kids that don't know how to clean cars can watch this video, just post it up on Instagram or something. you could make your own video or show us how you do it, but this is how I finally finished a car. I frizzed it up. Do you want to see the next tire?
Sure, show us the next tire.
And we're going over to the next tire. As you know, you don't know how I finished this one. Well, this is how I finished this one. I kind of frizzed it, but nobody knows that there is these little flat turns. I don't know what they do, but I'm guessing they help the tires. So, these are the gripples that help grip on the ice, but it's getting close to winter, so you might need different tires, but that's a good thing because we have so much tires in the world that we can buy. I might be the #1 shop cleaner assistant.
Alright.
Very true. Let's see the next tire.
Well, I think we've seen enough tires.
Nope.
So,
We didn't.
what do you gotta say to little kids like you that have never
I
cleaned a
say-
tire before? Can they do it?
Yes, but they have to have an adult that if it's a toddler. So we need to show all respect and we go for the president one. Me, Katie, with whoever is filming this, but let's just call him Nikki. So I am so glad that you're watching this video, guys. Come back next time so that you can watch more videos on PBS Kids, whatever you want to call it,
All
or
right.
YouTube channels. Goodbye.
Yay! Bye.
Yeah.